All right, good morning, everyone. Louis Sports, ManomarKet.com, and today is December 3rd, and this is the S&P E-mini update for trading today. All right, overnight, basically, not much action. We had a high of 2670.75, which was actually below the high that we made post close at 68, or yesterday afternoon, right before post close. Um, I'd said in the update video that I thought we would trade down to 633 area, and we did. 63 and a quarter is our low. Um, and now we're just sitting here um, uh, at basically settlement 2065, 75, 2066. News that's been out this morning already is the NBA purchasing applications, ADP employment report, Gallup U.S. job creation index at 7:30 came out. Productivity and cost was at 7:30. Oh no, I'm sorry. These are all going to be at these are all at Central Standard Time, so they were all out. Um, ISM at 9 a.m. Manufacturing Index. We have and the EIA Petroleum Status Report at 9:30. 10 a.m. Central. We have Global Composite, Global Services at 10 a.m. And that's about it. A bunch of other people speaking, and not much news so far that has riveted the market. Um, you know, one of the things, what's happening also is that we're coming towards a rollover, and I think that's we're starting to get that kind of trade. Also, holiday trade and so on. Um, so based on the lack of retracement we made before the holidays, I'm not expecting, you know, I thought this market would go out and we're going to make new highs, but I don't know where we're going to go, how high we'll go. But we will make new highs by the end of the year, which was 20 odd some trading days left in the year. All right. So we got the top of value right here at 2065 half. We've got 2065. Not only is our bull bear zone, but also is the mode from yesterday. All right. 2066 and a quarter down to 2063 half is the IB range for London. As you can see, we're going above it. We've got the 5 minute pivot sitting here at 2066.75. Um, that was in a sell most of the time. Right after the close, it went into a sell and then just stayed in this range. Okay, up above, we got a resistance here at 66.75, 67 and a quarter, 67.75. This whole area right here, the high, Globex high. Okay, yesterday's high of 68. Got resistance at 68 half. All these lines on here now have been drawn for you. R1 is way up at 71.75. So um, that's what we've got going on this morning. I think that you know, barring any, once we take out the pivot, I'd be looking for retracements to buy, um, and also how we react to value. If we get inside value, how long we stay in value, and so on. It's the typical rules. So that's right. We're trading right on the top of value right now, right before and you got the pivot right here at 66.75. All right. Like I said, there wasn't much activity. I'm not sure. With PMI services and productivity costs, those are out already. I'm sorry. Um, Global Composite, uh, Central Time, and Global Services, and I don't believe they're going to affect the market. So, all right. Um, I haven't been doing a midday update. Yesterday I probably should have because earlier in the morning I called at 10:30 that that it makings of a trend day, and it ended up being a trend day. When we go and we take a look at Here's the market profile from last night. I mean, this is showing me it's not finished on the up, and it's showing me it's not finished on the bottom. If you see these two PS here and the XY here, we traded back to 63. Here's that big buying tail from yesterday. But I can't get myself. I keep doing this because I think I'm doing it wrong, and I keep putting these things back together, back together. Because I'm trying to, you know, all this is areas that have to be filled in, and still the mode for the last 3 days is still down here at 2052.75. I mean, I'm going to go back to the 27th now and see if that affects us at all. All right. When we do that, it's still down there. So we got all this time with this big volume figure sitting back there. Let me try the 25th. If we can get that thing up here. There we go. If we go back through the 24th, all right, so that's from the 24th to now, we're sitting here with, it looks like it right at 2067, 2067. So now that's putting more time down here, but this is still telling me that you can see all this vacant area down here that it has to fill in. Let's go back to the 23rd. We'll add that. Let's add this in here. Yeah, there we go. All right, Louis Porcelino, man over market. So if you go back all the way from the 23rd, so basically 10 trading days to now, we've got the last 10 trading days, the most sitting here at 2067. But this area down here is showing me it has to be filled in. These little crevices has to be filled in. Doesn't mean they're going to fill it in this year. So, or with rollover, we may end up getting these days where we cover the range. So we got to be aware of that. All right, everybody. Talk to you later. Good luck trading. Bye.